There's been a lot of talk lately about viruses and weakened immunity. So today, I want to give you something you can actually use. This tiny immune shot works so quickly that most people feel it within minutes. Clearer breathing, warmer circulation, and a noticeable lift in energy. And yes, it's made with ingredients you already know, but not in the way you've used them before. If you're new here, welcome to Thrive and Rise. Let's build your strongest winter yet. Please subscribe to our channel for more healing shots, foods and habits. Before I show you how to make it, here's why it's powerful. Cucumber. Cucumber might seem simple, but it's one of the most hydrating vegetables in the world, 96% structured water. That hydration is what keeps your cells alert and your immune system responsive. It's also loaded with antioxidants that help neutralize the free radicals that weaken your immune defenses. Garlic. Next is garlic, one of nature's oldest immune protectors. Once it's crushed, garlic releases allicin, the compound known for boosting white blood cells and helping your body fight off invading germs. If you ever feel run down, garlic is one of the fastest ways to wake up your immune system. Ginger. Ginger brings the heat, literally. Its gingerols are strong anti-inflammatory agents that help calm the body, ease digestion, and support your natural defense system. That warm feeling in your chest, that's ginger activating circulation and immunity. Cayenne pepper. Then comes cayenne. Capsaicin helps clear congestion, open sinuses, improve circulation, and relieve those cold season symptoms like sneezing, a stuffy nose, or postnasal drip. It also carries antioxidant vitamins your immune cells rely on. Apple cider vinegar. Finally, apple cider vinegar. ACV helps balance your internal environment, supports your gut's beneficial bacteria, and promotes lymphatic drainage. A healthy gut equals stronger immunity. Finally, a teaspoon of raw honey, apart from its sweetness, adds antioxidants, gentle antimicrobial support, soothes the throat, and gives a quick, natural energy lift. Plus, it softens the shot's sharpness. However, honey is optional in this shot. All these ingredients together create a shot that doesn't just support immunity, it activates it. Here's how to make it. 1/3 of a medium-sized cucumber, peeled. 1 small garlic clove, peeled. 1/2 inch ginger, peeled. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon water. A pinch of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional. Blend until smooth and drink immediately. Chop the cucumber, garlic and ginger. Blend everything until it's smooth. Do not store. Consume immediately for maximum potency. Take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when it absorbs the fastest and gives you the biggest immune kick. Within minutes, most people feel warmer circulation, clearer breathing, better energy, a calmer stomach, a sense of something switched on inside the body. This is your immune system waking up. Whether you're already healthy, feeling run down, or noticing early signs of a cold, this immune shot gives your body what it needs to stay strong. Long-term benefits include reduced inflammation, better digestion, faster recovery, fewer sick days, stronger respiratory support, a more resilient immune response. Think of it as your daily armour, especially during cold months. If you make this, share it with someone you care about. your family, your partner, or a friend who keeps getting sick. They'll thank you. Let me know in the comments if you want more powerful daily shots like this. Stay hydrated, stay consistent, and, as always, make it a great day.